Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, money just seems to slip through your fingers? You save, you plan, you hustle. Yet somehow, you end up back at square one. What if I told you it's not your hard work that's broken? It's your frequency. Yes, the hidden energy you're broadcasting every single day might be silently keeping you broke. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix it fast. Welcome back to the channel, friends. If you're new here, this is where we talk about abundance, manifestation, and reprogramming your mind for success. Today, I'm revealing the secret frequency that blocks wealth and abundance from flowing into your life, and exactly how to switch to the frequency of prosperity. So grab a notebook, stay until the end, because this might just be the turning point that changes your relationship with money forever. First, let's get one thing straight. Money is energy. Most of us have been taught that money is just paper or numbers in a bank account. But at its core, money is simply energy that flows where it's invited and respected. Think about it. Have you ever met someone who always seems to attract opportunities and cash, even without trying, and others who work themselves to the bone, yet never get ahead? The difference isn't luck. It's vibration. Your subconscious mind is like a radio transmitter. Whatever frequency you send out, fear, scarcity, guilt, shame, that's exactly what you attract back. And unfortunately, most people are unconsciously tuned to the scarcity station. Here's how to know if you're tuned into the wrong frequency. You constantly worry about bills or debt. You feel guilty when spending money. Even on necessities, you believe money is hard to make. You feel jealous of wealthy people or think they must have cheated to get there. And you undercharge for your work because you fear rejection. Each of these thoughts is a signal you're sending out. And the universe, or if you prefer, your subconscious brain, simply reflects it back by blocking abundance. It's not punishment, it's just feedback. Just like a radio plays static when you're off station. Your finances feel chaotic when you're out of alignment. You might be wondering, but I don't want to feel broke, so why do I? Great question. Most of our money beliefs are not even ours. They were programmed into us before the age of 7. Hearing parents fight about bills, being told money doesn't grow on trees, seeing movies where rich people are villains, getting punished for asking for something expensive. Each of these moments imprinted your subconscious with a belief that money is scarce, unsafe, or bad. And now, as an adult, you might work hard, but those hidden programs are still running, sabotaging your results. This is why two people with the same skills and intelligence can have completely different financial lives. It's not just about effort, it's about energetic alignment. This isn't just woo-woo spirituality. There's neuroscience to back this up. Your brain operates on different frequencies, beta, alpha, theta, delta. And your subconscious is most open when you're in a relaxed theta state. If you've been rehearsing fear and worry daily, your brain has literally wired itself to expect scarcity. But here's the good news. Thanks to neuroplasticity, you can rewire those circuits. You can shift your emotional and energetic frequency and literally teach your brain to expect abundance instead of fear. All right, now let's get practical. Notice your current thoughts about money. Do you tense up when you think of bills? Do you feel unworthy of wealth? Awareness is the first step. You can't change what you don't recognize. Then, take a journal and write down every negative belief about money you can think of. Challenge them one by one. For example, money is hard to make becomes money flows to me in many ways. Rich people are greedy becomes money amplifies who I already am. Next, practice gratitude. Before you sleep, thank the money you already have, no matter how little. Gratitude shifts your frequency from lack to appreciation, which magnetizes more to you. Spend 5 minutes a day imagining yourself living your dream life. Not wishing, but feeling as if it's already yours. Combine this with listening to high-vibe frequencies like 432 Hz or 528 Hz music. These are known as miracle tones that relax your nervous system and help reprogram the mind. And most importantly, take aligned action. Energy alone is powerful, but you must pair it with inspired action. If you get an idea, follow it. If an opportunity comes, say yes. This proves to your subconscious that you trust abundance, and it responds by giving you more. When you start doing this work, subtle shifts will happen. You'll feel calmer about money. Unexpected opportunities will appear. You'll notice you stop sabotaging yourself. This is the moment your frequency officially changes. And trust me, once you start living on the abundance channel, you'll never want to go back. So here's your challenge. For the next 21 days, commit to tuning into the abundance frequency. Journal, visualize, express gratitude, and take aligned action. Watch what happens. I think you'll be amazed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more manifestation tools, and share this with a friend who's ready to break free from scarcity. Remember, you are the broadcaster of your reality, so make sure you're tuned to wealth, joy, and freedom.